Former President Jacob Zuma wants the lead prosecutor removed from his corruption case. He claims that Billy Down has acted in a compromising manner. The High Court in Pietermaritzburg will be hearing arguments today. eNCA senior reporter Siphamandla Goge is, of course, in Pietermaritzburg this morning with more on this story. Let's cross live to him to get an update. Welcome back and good morning to you, Siphamandla. I mean, early on you were, of course, telling us, giving us some context as to why we're here. Just in terms of those arguments expected by former President Jacob Zuma's legal team and lawyers. But from where you stand, what else can you tell us?
Well, we are about 3 hours away from getting underway with the proceedings inside courtroom A here at the High Court in Pietermaritzburg. What will happen today, or what is expected to happen today, because with court processes you can never really say what will happen. So what's expected to happen is that today's proceedings will go ahead. All parties will be physically present in court. Today and tomorrow was set aside by Judge Piet Koen simply for former President Jacob Zuma's special plea hearing to be heard. Now that means it's his application where he wants the lead prosecutor, Advocate Billy Downer, to be removed from prosecuting his fraud and corruption trial or case here in Pietermaritzburg. He is accusing him of being biased. He says he has got an axe to grind against him. He says he's got a vendetta, and he doesn't think that he will be afforded a fair trial if Billy Downer is the one prosecuting this matter. Of course, we do know that the state has disputed that, saying, well, all those allegations and accusations by the former president do not hold because they have been made or submitted before and they've been dismissed. So they don't think there is anything wrong with, or they don't think that the former president has got a case in terms of him wanting a state lead prosecutor, Billy Downer, to recuse himself. So therefore they have opposed that. So today we expect that it will be the start of that hearing. It's been postponed for about at least 2 times now, if I'm not mistaken, due to the former president's ill health. So we do not expect the former president to be physically present in court, but security personnel and police are not taking any chances. My colleague Tebogo will show you outside court here as police's vehicles have arrived and police personnel deployed here. Barbed wires, they have also been lined up to come and ensure that they seal off or they cordon off the court precinct here. So even though this time around we see what could be regarded as a downscaling in terms of police deployment compared to previously when proceedings were virtual. So this is what is happening outside court as proceedings are set to get underway at 10 o'clock, Dumelo.
All right, we'll have to leave it there. Siphamandla Goge, of course, definitely seeing that police presence this morning and expecting those proceedings to take place from 10 a.m. eNCA senior reporter Siphamandla Goge.